Good morning, guys. Good morning. Lumalabas pa yung dito ko. Alright, guys. Today is our last day in Belfast and we are flying to
London.
We're flying back to London. And
point the camera.
Point the
camera.
Look at you guys, Bea is dancing there like crazy outside. Look at her. I think she's so excited that we're finally in our last destination. And we are...
Dad, I thought it was dancing.
3 more days and we are like going back.
Hello.
To the United States. Hello. Alright, so we are leaving and see you guys in London. Bye-bye. So guys, we just passed through security and all our bags were my bags was opened dahil sa lata ng corned beef. Pero nakadala lata ng corned beef na dinala ko from France. Tapos binuksan yung maleta ko dahil lang doon. Tinanggal lahat ng gamit ko. As in talaga, tinanggal lahat. Kahit nakita naman nila na yung corned beef nasa top lang. Hayop na corned beef na yun. Nabuksan yung bag ko. Tapos natapon lahat ng liquids ni Bea. Almost lahat. Mga lotion, mga ganun. Na kahit na maliliit na bote lang kasi they only allow like a tiny Ziploc. A tiny Ziploc. Na dun mo lang pagkasyahin yung mga liquids mo. So, lahat, almost nung kay Bea. Na,
I was about to fight him.
Ayun, kasi very strict yung nila dito. Very strict yung airport nila dito sa Belfast. I mean, sa lahat ng airports na we went through security, eto yung pinaka-stricto. Yun na guys, share ko lang yung experience ko. Na nabuksan yung buong maleta ko dahil sa corned beef na sinaksak ko doon.
Bored and reporting.
Jason's bored already. So, but we're boarding right now. So, let's go. Hindi makababa. Ang dami pang tao. Hey, stop picking. Stop picking. Nadapa siya. Yung niya, scab niya, pinipick out niya.
There is no scab, Mom.
There you go. Oh. Sige pa. We're waiting for somebody to check us in.
Yeah.
Don't follow me. And I found a store just near it. See, they have produce. Pasensya na guys sa buhok ko. It's so windy. And then we have produces here. Right there. And there's like a little grocery inside.
Go. Hi, nak. Go.
Ay nak. Ambot sa imo, kasabad sa imo, Jason. Abi, hatag na sa iyo yung iPad kita sa baran ko.
Bye, Mommy.
So later, or maybe tomorrow, we're gonna go. We passed by a restaurant that's called Hens and Chickens. And then I was like, so where's the rooster? And I found it in the other corner. The name of the restaurant is called The Famous Cock. Can you believe that? So in order for me to prove that there's really a restaurant called The Famous Cock, separated to the hens and the chickens, I will pass by there and take a video. Alright? So, yeah. See you later. 4. Maybe, yeah, because we're still going out. We need dinner. Hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner, so we need to find dinner.
Well, that's definitely not doing anything now. So C, 7, 0. So down, let's try down.
Yeah. Yep.
Can't figure out the keys.
There's only 3 there. It's either this one or this one.
You should be smarter than the key. Uh-oh. First try.
Oh, it's the other side.
One more.
It's the other side.
Turn around more.
So double lock, maybe?
Yeah.
Oh, double. No.
It's a good life lesson, this, isn't it? Good life lesson.
I think this is because Mom reached 666 subscribers.
Don't blame it on me, please. Not yet.
Try the indication. Try with your hand. Yeah. Let me get your hand. So is that...
Oh, Jason.
JC left your bag again.
Go in, get your bag.
A-game. Can someone bring my bag in for me? I don't want
Okay, I'll go first.
Too late.
Sorry. We come in
I love this
and
room already. It
hold
has a
on.
kitchen.
That's our room right there.
I
Oh,
love this room
love.
already. It has
And then we have a living room and a kitchen. Oh, guys, ang ganda dito. I have a living room. We have a tiny table. Room tour agad. We have this. Okay, mamaya na room tour. Oh, in the room, babe, not here. In the bedroom.
Let's do it for now.
Ayan, guys, ang room. And then ito yung hallway. I believe this is the bathroom. Ayan. This is our condotel in London for 3 days. Okay, it's a shower. And this is the bath.
I tried to scare Mom.
There's like a little
Okay, Mom,
shower
we're gonna trap you.
when you enter the door. And the hallway. It's
Wow, there's no air, right?
There's no aircon. We do have access to the outside. It's a bit
what
noisy
we
though.
have.
Yeah, it's funny. The UK, we don't really
Yeah.
we
We
don't
have
invest in aircon.
a glass door. But the only downside is we don't have an air condition.
No.
It's a nice place. It's pretty. But there's no air condition.
Even if there's no air conditioner, I'm fine with it.
Love about this place is they have this like overlooking like floor to ceiling window right there. And our bed was put up really nicely. And there's like a chest, like a drawer side. The hallway is also nice. Right there. Yeah. That's the kitchen, guys. Meron ng mga stuff. Yeah. This kitchen. This is the dining table where they put all their bags. Bea.
Yeah, I know. They even have like balsamic vinegar and all that stuff.
Yeah, they also. But you don't know. You have to check if they're expired or not. Meron na silang condiments. They have like all these stuff right here. Washer and the coffee maker. I mean, no. It's the water heater. Anong tawag dito? Thermos? What's this? Oh, if you have a K-cups. Have tea, toaster, microwave, refrigerator, which is not fixed yet, they said. Oh, lots of stuff in here too. Nice view, huh? Bea, nice floor to ceiling window, huh? Yes, it's a Witherspoon. Midsummer. Yeah, it's a church. And we have McDonald's and Starbucks.
We dancing,
We decided to eat here, guys. It's called the library.
You go home, you go to bed.
Thai.
That's not.
Fancy. Alright, take a picture and then...
Wala pa sa'yo?
Wala pa yung sa akin, so you guys can't eat.
Oh no. Huh?